Girl, I see you in the mirror. Can you feel it too?
Hey, beautiful babes. Welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, or welcome in. If you're new here, so glad you all are hanging out with me on this, a Vlogtober day 27. And as you saw by the title, we got to get our nails done. But we are doing them at home. Yes, I do my nails myself. And today I'm showing you how to get flawless press-on nails using the Mifoneix Black Almond Press-On Nails that I picked up on Amazon. Yes, and listen, I will have everything, if I can find it, that I'm using in this video. I will have everything linked in the description box, beautiful babes. And if you're new here to the channel, this is the place to be. So make sure you don't lose this chick. Subscribe, turn on all notifications, and come on, hang out with your girl. So let's get ready to do some nails. I have been wearing these press-ons. Yes, these are press-ons. I've been wearing these for probably nearly 2 weeks. Might have been over. I don't know, but I've had them on for a minute. And honey, I'm going to show you how to get your nails to stick and stay as well today. Let me outline the easy steps for you. First, you have to prep your nails. You've got to remove any old polish, clean them off, gently push back your cuticles. I do that sometimes with the actual press-on nail. You have to buff the nails lightly for a smooth surface. Got to have that. And I always wipe my nails down. You can use a nail prep pad or simply alcohol to remove any oils. That's simple enough, right? So as I said, I'm using the Mifoneix Black Almond Press-On Nails right from Amazon. And listen, Amazon is the right place to go to if you're looking for affordable press-ons. Any style, whatever you're looking for, they got it, okay? So choosing the sizes, I lay them all out and I find the right size for my fingernails, for my nail bed, making sure that it hits every curve, every angle. If it doesn't, you can easily file them down. But for the most part, when I get a pack of nails, I can truly get a good fit for my nails. Match each press-on nail to your natural nails so you can get that perfect fit. So just a little tip here, if in between sizes, choose the slightly smaller size for a snug fit, okay, if that's the case. So once I've selected all of the nails that I'm going to put on, we got to have the right glue. I love Makartt Super Strong Nail Glue. She's that girl. I don't care. I love the brush on style of it. I love how it holds my nails in place. There is no question that she is that girl. I just apply a small amount of the Makartt nail glue on my natural nail, okay? That's really all you need. Now, optionally, you can apply a tiny bit on the inside of the press-on nail for extra hold. Girl, I don't think it really matters in this case because I promise you, they're going to hold. Now it's time to put them on. These are just the steps. I might be doing something totally different in the video, but I'm outlining the steps for you. Align the press-on nail with your cuticle line. Press down firmly and hold for 10 to 15 seconds and repeat this for all of the nails, okay? Once you put that glue on, yes, it's on, but make sure you align it before you press down completely. At the end of the process, all you have to do is do the final touches. I file the edges of the nail for the perfect shape, you know, to make sure if there's any rough edges where they've pressed out these nails or made the nails, make sure you buff all of that away on the tip, okay? And avoid water if you would. for at least 1 hour if you want your nails to really hold. Don't dip your hand in water, especially not hot water, warm water, etc., because it'll kind of loosen up the nail glue. Make sure you hold tight for a minute before doing any of that. And I just want to let you know, just a special tip. I know these are press-on nails, and most times when people take them off, they'll rip them off and not think about using them again. But these nails are reusable. If you remove them gently with warm water, you can easily get them off and save them for another time, for sure. And beautiful babes, that is pretty much it. You'll get flawless, natural looking nails in minutes. Listen, I know because I do this all the time. I'm going to finish off the nails. Y'all jam to the music. And listen, if you're loving the content for Vlogtober or any time on my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links below to get the nails and the glue and anything else that I've used in this video. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Stick and stay to the end, beautiful babes. You don't want to miss the final results for sure.
Girl, I see you in the mirror. Can you feel it too? Every curve, every line, telling a story so true. From your crown to your soles, every shade of your skin. You've been through the fire, but your light glows within. Don't let nobody tell you you gotta fit them mold. You're a diamond in the rough, worth more than gold. Lift your head, baby, let your spirit shine through. The world can't hold the magic living inside of you. You are beautiful. You are beautiful, more than words could say. Every moment, every scar, in your own way. You are powerful, shining through the night. Keep your heart open, girl. Your soul's full of light. Oh, remember the times they tried to dim your flame, but you rose up, baby. You know your name. Your smile's a sunrise, your laugh's a melody. Every step you take is your legacy. Don't let nobody tell you gotta fit the mold. You're a diamond in the rough, worth more than gold. Lift your head, baby, let your spirit shine through. Can't hold the magic living inside of you. You are beautiful.